What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the Anderson M5 motocross bike. It's got a 3D printed losi figure on. I just had to scale it down to 5th scale. It's got some stabilisers on the rear since there was only 4 weights in the gyro at the back, and there's supposed to be 20 weights in there to stabilise the thing. But I've ordered some 10mm bar that I need to chop up into 15mm bar pieces to get the weight right for the gyro to work properly. Anyway guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn it all on. I'll take us out on the road once it's going. Stay tuned for the run. Well guys, this has been the Anderson M5 cross bike. It's got a losi 3D printed figure on, scaled down to 1/5. I got some stabilisers on there, a bit of metal folded up. Because the gyro in the back guys is it only come with 4 of the 20 weights that were supposed to be in it. So it ain't got enough gyro speed to keep the thing upright very well. But I've ordered some 10mm steel bar that I need to cut into 15mm pieces to for weights for the gyro in the rear. There we go. It should be a great appreciation if you give me a favour and like, subscribe, comment and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.